Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need an updated Windows 11 build and admin rights. Once confirmed, open settings using Windows plus I. Make sure File Explorer and critical apps are closed so changes apply cleanly. Now go to Personalization, because that is where the taskbar options live. This first step puts you in the right place immediately. It's faster than hunting menus, and it prevents permission prompts later, so proceed now without delay. Once in taskbar settings, scroll and expand taskbar behaviors to reveal alignment controls. You'll see alignment set to center by default. Choose left to move icons instantly. Make sure to review related options like automatic hide or multiple displays. Adjust those if you use more than one monitor. Changing alignment only affects icon placement, not shortcuts. This is why your layout remains familiar. Yet, once you set alignment to left, close settings, and confirm the taskbar moved as expected. If not, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, then restart. Make sure to reboot if anomalies persist, because temporary profile or Explorer glitches can block layout changes. If the alignment option is missing, double-check your Windows build and install updates. This ensures the feature is available. One quick troubleshooting tip. Restarting Explorer typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.